Hi, welcome to Bharat GPS Tracker. How to create geofencing and alert in Bharat GPS web browser. First, log into your panel. Close the dashboard. Go to that area on the map where you want to create geofencing. Navigate to Tools, then click Geofencing under Tools. Click plus icon. Give a name. Select color for geofencing. Remember, do not select device. Leave blank. Now, click on the map and create fencing. Once you have done, click Save. Navigate to Tools. Then click Alerts under Tools. Now click plus button. Under Devices tab, type alert name and select your vehicle. Then go to Type of Alert and select Geofencing. Select your geofences. Once you have done all, click Save. That's it. I am Leesa, and you are tracking with Bharat GPS Tracker.